Welcome to the iDIY channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of furniture design, where cutting-edge technology meets creativity. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way furniture is conceptualized, crafted, and personalized. So grab your virtual sketchpad, because we're about to embark on an AI-powered design journey. Meet our trusty AI design assistant, your digital co-creator. It starts by analyzing vast amounts of existing furniture designs, learning from their aesthetics, functionality, and market trends. Armed with this knowledge, it generates initial design concepts that cater to individual tastes and needs. Think of it as your AI muse, whispering innovative ideas into your creative process. Generative design, fueled by AI, takes center stage. Imagine a virtual workshop where algorithms collaborate with architects and designers. They explore countless design options, pushing boundaries beyond what human minds can envision. From intricate chair backs to modular shelving units, generative design sparks creativity and efficiency. AI isn't just about aesthetics, it's also eco-conscious. Our AI buddy experiments with sustainable materials, bamboo composites, recycled plastics, and even mycelium-based finishes. It simulates how these materials age, ensuring durability and longevity. Say goodbye to disposable furniture. AI encourages designs that stand the test of time. User experience matters. AI goes beyond predicting preferences. It dives into user behavior, lifestyle, and spatial constraints. The result? Highly customized furniture designs. Imagine a sofa that adjusts its contours based on your posture, or a coffee table that complements your room's dimensions perfectly. It's like having a personal designer at your fingertips. So there you have it, the fusion of creativity and AI in the furniture design process. Whether you're a designer, a homeowner, or just someone who appreciates a well-crafted chair, keep an eye on AI. It's reshaping our living spaces, one pixel at a time. Thanks for tuning in to iDIY. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy designing!